Assalamu alaikum. Students, as you know that I am teaching algebra to class 8 and we have already done question number 1 and exercise 5.1. Have a look over here. Mathematics class 8 Algebra, lecture number 13, exercise 5.1. All of you students open page number 73. We have already done question number 1. So, this is the time that I am starting question number 2. And I'm your teacher, Sir Zishan. Okay? So, start it now. As I told you to open page number 73 of your book. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 3. The property used is called dash property of addition. Three plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 3. Commutative property of addition. This is called commutative property of addition. Why? See, 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 3. It doesn't matter if we change the order. You understand what I am saying? Commutative property of addition. It doesn't matter if we change the order, the result will be same. So, answer will be commutative. Write it down and start writing in your copy. Number 2, 7 multiplied by 8 in bracket multiplied by 9 is equal to 7 multiplied by in bracket 8 multiplied by 9. The property used is called associative property of multiplication. One correction in your book. While I am looking into your book, it has been written that property of addition. No. This is not the property of addition. This is associative property of multiplication. So, in your book, where it has been written addition, cut it please, and instead of addition, write multiplication. Understand what I am saying? Associated. See, it has been associated. It has been associated. But the result will be same. So this is called associative property of multiplication. Number 3. X square minus 2xy plus y square is a polynomial of dash variables. Students, I told you what are variables. Variables, all the English letters from A to Z, they are called variables. So, see over here, x square minus 2xy plus y square. variables, only two. I'm telling you, x, this is x power 2. That means x multiplied by x. Understand what I'm saying? Minus x y plus y multiplied by y. I am telling you again, pay your attention. X power 2 means x multiplied by x. See? Over here, xy. So this is x, this is x, this is y, this is y into y. Only two variables, x and y. Have a look. So the answer will be two variables. Number 4, 3a plus 5 degree. Check the power. A power 1. We do not write power. It is understood that power is 1. So 3a power 1. All power is 1. You see, 3 power 1. A power 1, 5 power 1. When we check degree, we check power. So the power is 1. That's why degree 1. This is the answer. 5 parenthesis 3 plus 2 parenthesis is equal to 5 into 3 plus 5 into 2. The expressions in this form, they are called distributive. Have a look over here. Because these are the explanations which you are doing over here. You are doing over here. Understand what I am saying? The explanation is over here. You see, 5 into 3 plus 2. That means this is bracket. 5 multiplied by 3 plus 5 multiplied by 2. 5 into 3, 15 plus 5 into 2, 25. So 5 into 2, 10. So answer is 25. I am saying again, 5 into 3, 15 plus 5 into 2, 10. 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. This type of expression is called distributive property of multiplication over addition. See, multiplication, you see, this is multiplication over addition. I hope you understand all these things, so you can write the answer as I am writing over here. And copy down these answers in your notebook. Now question number 3, MCQs. We are over here, you see, that's my lecture 30, algebra, exercise 5.1, page 73. Open your books, page 73. Now, question number 3, MCQs. I am reading the question and pay your attention towards your book. I would like all of you to open your book. Question: 6 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7 multiplied by 6. The property used is called dash property of multiplication. You see over here? I already taught you about commutative, associative and distributive property. I taught you about addition and also multiplication. So, if you concentrate upon the question, you will see that it is commutative property of multiplication. I wrote the answer over here. I taught you most of the things about these properties. Now, part number 2. In bracket 2 plus 3, bracket close, plus 5 is equal to 2 plus bracket 3 plus 5. The property used is called dash property of addition. Look, the parenthesis means brackets, that's associative. Associative. Number 3. X square minus 2xy plus y square is a dash expression. Polynomial. When I started this exercise, I told you many things about polynomials. I hope you remember that. Number 4. X plus 1 upon x, where x is not equal to 0, is dash expression. Rational? You know it very well. So, number 4, rational. Number 5, 5x square, y2 square, z2 square is a dash. You see, this is only one expression. That's why this is called monomial. Mono means 1. I told you mono 1 by 2 try 3. So this is monomial. Number 6. X power 3 minus 1 is a polynomial of degree dash, because power is 3, so the answer is degree 3. Degree 3. Now, number 7. In the expression 5a square minus a minus 4, the coefficient of a is dash. Let me explain it. Maybe you have some confusion, so let me explain it. I will write it over here so you will understand. 5a square minus a minus 4. Coefficient of a. We are talking about a. We are not talking about a square. Coefficient of a. You see, nothing has been written over here. That's why it is 1. It means the coefficient of a is minus 1. If I will ask you, what is the coefficient of a square? Answer is 5. You understand? This thing is called coefficient, and that is called power. So the coefficient of a square is 5, but the coefficient of a is minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. Now number 8. x2 minus x upon 3 plus 5 is a polynomial of rationals. You see, number 9, the additive inverse of 3x minus 5y is, inverse the sign. I am writing over here. Three x minus 5y. We need additive inverse. You see, it will be minus 3x. And it will be plus 5y. So we can write 5y minus 3x. 5y minus 3x. This answer is correct. Minus 3x plus 5y, but we can write it 5y minus 3x. And over here, number 10, the multiplicative inverse of a minus b is multiplicative inverse, that is 1 upon a minus b. Understand what I am saying? If you have 4 upon 5 and I am saying multiplicative inverse, that will be so, over here, a minus b multiplicative inverse, that will be 1 upon a minus b. I have done all the parts of this question. And now I will have to begin question number 4, addition. 5b minus 7c minus 5d. Add all of them. No similar things. That's why we cannot add anything in it. So it will be written as it is. See, look at over here. I hope you understand. Question number 2. (2a minus 3b plus 3c minus 4d). Add 3a minus b minus 2c plus 2d. You see, 2a plus 3a, 5a. Powers will never be added. It can never be 5a power 2. No, not at all. In addition, power will not be added. But in multiplication, powers will be added. So, 2a plus 3a, 5a minus 3b minus 1b. This is 1, so it will be minus 4b. 3c minus 2c, 1c. We don't write plus 1c, we write plus c. And it means plus 1c minus 4d plus 2d. It will be minus 2d. Answer. Question number 3. X square minus 2xy minus y square plus x square minus 2xy plus y square. You see, plus minus cancel. Same thing. Minus x square plus x square cancel. Over here, minus y square plus y square cancel. So over here, minus 2xy and minus 2xy. Answer will be minus 4xy. I have completed 1, 2, 3 parts of question number 4. I am giving you homework. Question number 4, part 5, 6, 7. You will do it by yourself, and I hope, oh no, not I hope, I believe that you can do it. So do this. This is your homework. We have finished addition. Now subtraction. Students, I am saying open your books. If you will not open your book and you will not read the question in the book, you cannot understand. Okay? I believe that you are opening your books. This is what I believe. Okay? So continue. Question number 5. Subtract 3c minus 4d from 2a minus 5b. See, from you will have to write it first because it has been written from. So write 2a minus 5b. 2a minus 5b. And below that 3c minus 4d. But you will write, where you will write 3c? No place. This is A, this is B. So you will have to write 3c over here. Minus 4d. 3c minus 4d. Subtraction. Change the sign of the lower part. See, this is the lower part. Change the sign. 3c is plus, so it will be minus. 4d is minus, so it will be plus. Answer will be 2a minus 5b minus 3c plus 4d. Answer. Question number 2. Minus 3x square plus 4xy plus 5y square from 2x square minus xy plus 2y. From, so that's why you will have to write this thing first. I am writing over here solution. 2x square minus xy plus 2y, and then this thing minus 3x square plus 4xy plus 5y square. Change the sign of the lower part. Change the sign. Minus will be plus, plus will be minus. So it will be, this minus sign will be plus, plus sign will be minus, plus sign will be minus. 2x square, you see, 2x square minus 3x square, it will be 5x square. Why? Because 2x square plus 3x square, it will be plus 5x square. Minus sign, minus sign. Minus 4, minus 1, minus 5xy. Plus sign, minus 5y plus 2y will be minus 3y square answer. Understand? Part number 3. Minus 3a power 3 plus 5a minus 9 from 2a plus a square minus 1. From, that's why you will have to write it first. So write it first now. 2a plus a square minus 1. Minus 3a power 3. No power 3 over here, so you will have to write it apart. Minus 3a cube plus 5a minus 9. Change the sign. This is minus, it will be plus. This is plus, it will be minus. This is minus, it will be plus. Answer will be 3a power 3 minus 3a plus a power 2 plus 8. We will write according to the power. So it will be 3a power 3 plus power 2, a power 2 minus 3a plus 8. Question number 4. From minus 2x3 plus x2y minus 4xy square plus y3. From, that's why you will have to write this thing first. Write it first. I wrote it over here. Solution, I wrote it over here. Minus 8x cube plus 7x2y minus 7x2 plus 2y3. Change the sign. This minus will be plus, plus will be minus, minus will be plus, plus will be minus. Do it now. I told you many times, these all the things over here, so you can do it. See the answer over here. 6x cube minus 6x square y plus 3x y square minus y cube. Answer. Homework. Now question number 5, part number 5, you will have to do it by yourself. I hope you understand the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Okay? Any problem, any difficulty, let me know. I shall be waiting for that.